Hello everyone, welcome to Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. Myself Savita D, a lecturer in Electrical and Electronics, Government Polytechnic Kushalnagar. Today we are going to discuss the um, course on electrical power generation in that Unit 5, tidal power plant, wave energy, ocean thermal energy, urban waste to energy conversion, and biomass power plant. This is the session 34 of this course. The course outcome of this subject is differentiate tidal power, wave energy, ocean thermal energy, urban waste to energy, and biomass power plants. Contents: Introduction, wave energy conversion devices, construction and working of pitching type, construction and working of heaving and pitching type, advantages of wave energy, disadvantages of the wave energy, multiple choice question on wave energy. So the topic is the wave energy and the session is 34. Introduction. Waves are caused by the transfer of wind energy to the water on the ocean surface. The rate of transfer of energy depends on the wind speed, the distance for which the wind interacts with water. Compared to other renewable energy sources like solar, wind, etc., the wave contains enormous energy. The power in the wave is directly proportional to its amplitude and period of motion. Larger waves in deep ocean can store their energy for many days and can carry for a great distances. Next is the wave energy conversion devices. Energy in the wave is converted into mechanical energy using wave energy converters known as wave devices or wave machines. A wave device may be placed in the ocean at suitable locations. The fluctuating mechanical energy obtained from the wave device is smoothed out to drive an electrical generator to generate electricity. Depending on the actuating mechanism used in the wave devices to capture wave energy, they are classified as 1. Heaving flow type, 2. Pitching type, 3. Heaving and pitching flow type. We already discussed the first heaving and heaving flow type of wave devices in the session 33. In this, we are going to see the second and the third type of wave devices. In the pitching type, here we are observing in the picture which consists of a ducts or a cam-shaped ducts are hinged in a flexible link which is called as a noding duct assembly, which is placed on the surface of the waves, surface of the ocean, where it will actuate when the wave enters and the remaining waves is left over in the other side. This is also called as a noding duct assembly. Several cam-shaped floating devices such as noding ducts are hinged in a common flexible linkage to form a noding duct assembly. The duct swings forward when the wave enters and swings backward for the trough of the wave. So the movement will be forward and backward as and when wave enters. The oscillatory motion of the duct assembly is converted into rotating motion of the shaft using ratchet and wheel mechanism. The oscillatory motion of the duct assembly is converted into a rotating motion. The power of the rotating shaft is transferred to the generator through linkages and the gates. That is, the rotation is transferred to the generator through these linkages and the gates. The generator rotates to generate electricity. Third type is heaving and pitching float type of wave devices. In this, it consists of both heaving type and the pitching float type of devices to extract the wave energy. So figure shows the heaving type of float devices, which consist of a two generator wave energy absorber generator and a connecting rod, and the float is mounted on the surface of the water, and it is on the dolphin. Here dolphin is also going to be rotate. When the wave enters, both the devices will be creates a two different rotations. A specially shaped float known as dolphin is used to extract the wave energy. The wave passes over the dolphin, it rolls and also heaves as shown in figure. So that is, the dolphin both rolls and heaves in the whenever the wave passes. The two motions of the dolphin are converted into unidirectional motion using ratchet wheel arrangement. In turn, operates the stationary generator and floating to generate electricity. In turn, operates the stationary generator and thereby it generates the electricity. Here we will observe that two wave converting devices. One is buoy dolphin and second one is a large buoy to cause differential motion. In some devices, a large float is used. That is, here we will see that a large float is used, which consists of a two at two ends. Two rods are connected, which is called as a piston. This is connected to the hydraulic pump, and this system is mounted on the damper plates. The wave produces a differential motion between two ends of the float. This motion can be used to operate a hydraulic pump as shown in figure. That is, the motion can be used to operate this hydraulic pump, which this pump will generate the compressed air, which is transferred to the compressor storage device, and thereby it is used to run the turbine and then generate the electricity by the generator. Next is the advantages of the wave energy. First one is it is free and renewable energy source. Second one, no waste to greenhouse gases are produced and hence it is pollution free. Next is The amount of energy concentrated in the wave is very much greater than that of the solar and the wind energy. That is, concentration of the wave energy is more than the wind and solar energy. Devices do not need huge land masses like solar energy and the wind energy. Wave energy is easily predictable and can be used to calculate the amount of energy it can produce. That is, we can predict the energy and also we can easily calculate the amount of energy. Wave devices can be installed far from the shore and can be entirely submerged in the water. Therefore, the devices produces minimum visual impact. That is, it can be placed far away from the shore and it is entirely submerged in the water, so the less visual impact by these devices. So these are all the some of the advantages of the wave energy. Next is the disadvantages of the wave energy. First one is due to irregularity of the wave patterns in amplitude, phase, direction makes it difficult to extract the wave energy efficiently. Wave energy converters must be capable of withstanding severe stresses due to storms. Due to corrosive nature of sea water, the life of wave devices is limited. Wave devices are very complicated and expensive to construct. The maintenance, repair and replacement of wave devices are also expensive. The wave devices may obstruct ships and also disturb marine life. The slow and irregular motion of the wave is required to be coupled to the generator, requiring high and constant speed of motion. So these are all the some of the disadvantages of the wave energy. Next, we move on to the multiple choice questions on the wave energy. First one, which device uses the float which has two motions? A. High level reservoir wave machine. B. Dolphin type wave generator. C. Hydraulic accumulator. D. Float wave power conversion device. The correct answer is B. Dolphin type wave generator has a two motions. Second one, in which wave machine instead of compressing air, the water itself is pressurized? A. High level reservoir wave machine. B. Dolphin type wave generator. C. Hydraulic accumulator. D. Float wave power conversion device. The correct answer is C. Hydraulic accumulator. Third one, the intensity of wave is directly proportional to the A. Amplitude. B. Square of amplitude. C. Cube of amplitude. D. Frequency. And the correct answer is B. Square of amplitude. Fourth one, wave energy is caused due to A. Strong winds blowing across the sea. B. Kinetic energy possessed by the huge waves near the seashore. C. Potential energy possessed by the stored water. D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is D. Both A and B. That is strong winds blowing and the kinetic energy possessed by the huge waves near the seashore. Answer is D. Fifth one. Which device uses the float which has two motions? A. High level reservoirs wave machine. B. Dolphin type wave generator. C. Float wave power conversion device. D. Hydraulic accumulator. And the correct answer is B. Dolphin type wave generator. Sixth one. The height of an ocean wave increases as dash. A. The wind speed increases. B. The wind blows for longer times. C. The distance over which wind flows over the water increases. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Seventh one. Wave energy is caused due to A. Strong winds blowing across the sea. B. Kinetic energy possessed by huge waves near seashore. C. Potential energy possessed by the stored water. D. Both A and B. The correct answer is D. Both A and B. Eighth one. Wave energy devices are used to convert wave energy into A. Mechanical energy. B. Electrical energy. C. Nuclear energy. D. Heat energy. The correct answer is A. Mechanical energy. Ninth one. A specially designed float known as dash which rides on the wave. A. Dolphin. B. Nodding ducks. C. Heaving. D. Pitching. And the correct answer is A. Dolphin. 10th. The wave energy mainly depends on the following factors. A. Amplitude and period of motion. B. Wind speed. C. Wave velocity. D. Wavelength. And the correct answer is A. Amplitude and the period of motion. That is A. Next is references. Number 1. Non-conventional energy sources by G.S. Sahani. Number 2. Non-conventional energy sources by B.H. Khan. C. Principles of Power System by V.K. Mehta and Rohit Mehta. Fourth, www.electrical5u.com. Thank you.